Hey everyone, it's Emily. Today I'm really excited because I'm setting up my journal for 2019. I'm using the 2019 Hobonichi Techo English Planner for my journal. So let's see what we can do. First of all, I knew I wanted to use this image of this adorable girl looking in the book, and then there's like this scene popping out of this book, and to me it was kind of signified reading and journaling and just the amazingness that can come from the pages. So if that gives you an idea of any sort of my dorkiness, then please stick around. I've already shown you my full hand of cards. That came from a Real Simple magazine. I love the images from Real Simple. And that little box of washi tape I ordered on Amazon. It's the MT brand, and it's chamois paper washi adhesive tape. It wasn't expensive, but I loved all of the little patterns. So I picked out one of those colors that I thought would kind of coordinate. Now I'm going to be using this for my daily journaling. So I just wanted to have the cover open up and see things that made me smile and that I loved. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. There's no rhyme or reason. And I'm not actually tucking that inside cover into the journal that I ordered from Hobonichi because I like to see the cover of the planner, and I like to use those pockets too. So that butterfly and the feather sticker were actually, I think, wall decals that I got at the Dollar Tree, but they made really beautiful stickers. And so I just cut that butterfly in half so it was sort of half, looked like it was coming out, you know. Obviously, you understand what half means. It was just half the butterfly, and then I just cut off the excess of the feather. And then some of these other stickers, like that hello, actually came from a Dollar Tree planner sticker set that I got in the summertime. And the My Happy Place sticker was from a Webster's Pages little scrapbook. It came with paper and some stickers and some like die cut pieces that I got at, let's see, where did I get that? Hobby Lobby. And that was during the summertime or earlier in the fall. And I just wanted to use up a lot of my old kind of pieces that I really liked. That just kind of spoke to me because my journal kind of is my happy place, so I like that. And then that little strip is from that sticker of the Webster's Pages, and so are these little pieces. So I just cut out the one of the little girl and the little like twig tree is one of my favorite images that came in that whole set, and so I decided to put it in the cover. I just glue it down, and then I like to use washi on things that are glued down just because I love the way that it looks. So I put some of that. I like to kind of layer things and make it look a little bit messy, if you could see through my big head. And then that is also from the Webster's Pages sticker sheet. And it's kind of like a tab. I wish I could remember the name of that whole set, but it was really, really cute. It was kind of florals and stuff like that. So more washi tape, and I like to use the straight edge of my ruler to cut my washi because it's really handy to do it that way. I was sort of obsessing over this new washi. Can you tell? I put it everywhere. But I just love the colors and the little patterns. It just seemed to go with the vibe. That little heart, floral heart, is also from the Webster's Pages kit. I wish I could remember the name of that set. Let's see. It just says Webster. Oh, it's My Happy Place from Webster's Pages. Appropriately enough. So it's perfect. And a lot of those stickers came from that. Let's see, that one that says "Hello Sunshine," not my favorite saying, but it's cute and I needed something to kind of fit in that space. And then the little pink cactus is from a Dollar Tree sticker set. Those little Dollar Tree sticker sets were awfully fun, and they were $1, so you can't beat that. And then I'm going on to the next little page, and I decided to use some more of those cutouts from the Webster Pages set. I just wanted kind of fun things, you know, nothing too serious. If you've watched some of my Create December journaling, I've just been into drawing cute little things, and you know, I'm not the next great novelist in my journal. I'm not planning for this to be my deepest thoughts. I'm planning for it to be sort of a daily outlet where I can draw a quick, draw a quick picture, because that's been bringing me so much joy. To sit down and find a picture that I like and kind of try and draw it myself. I've really been enjoying that. And so to do that, to do some watercolor, I'm just very excited about it. So I put a little to-do sticker, and obviously the llama saying hi. I know the llama can be kind of played out. Recently, you know, it's been sort of the hip thing is the llama. But, I mean, I guess it's for a reason, because I can't resist a llama in glasses saying hi to me. I don't know if you can.
If you can, then you're probably a demon, so get off my channel. No, I'm just kidding.
Just kidding. I am using some of the pink washi that came with that. Okay, so the box says Waman. So I don't know if that will help you search for it if you want to find it. But for the beautiful washi, it was not expensive. And the quality of the MT washi tape, I was super impressed. It's very sticky. It didn't rip. Really, you know how when you're trying to peel it off the roll and sometimes it rips funny and then you have to even it out again? That didn't do it to me. So, very happy. I kind of am liking how the pieces that I put on there are sort of fit together, like kind of like puzzle pieces. I'm just sort of filling up all of the empty space with just different random things. And I like how the little sticker at the top is a to-do sticker, the little floral one above the llama, and then I just said, be happy. So I just wanted to remind myself that just be happy. That should be the first thing on your to-do list, is to be happy, because if you're happy, then all the other things that you have to do become much more joyful than they do a drag. So just need that reminder some days. I don't know about you. These little day of the week little boxes were from a Target Dollar Spot sticker pack that I got probably towards the end of the summer or maybe September. And I loved the colors. And it was just sort of another, to me, of that reminder, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day, just be happy. And laugh, love, and be happy is what that little sticker above it says, and that's from the Webster's Pages set. Up on the top, that little speech bubble thing, be happy. Again, can you find? Are you seeing a theme that I need to be reminded to be happy? I think we all do. You know, sometimes you just become a crotchety bitch for no reason at all. I guess I'm talking about me, not you. And I just need to remind myself to not do that. That Jot That Down sticker is from also that Target Dollar Spot set. The Believe in Yourself is from the Dollar Tree set. And that little cat face is from the Webster's Pages one, and it's one of my favorite stickers. I had actually made it into a paper clip, and then I peeled it off the paper clip because it was just the perfect size for that little box, and it needed a cat face. So I'm just adding some more yellow washi tape. I love that like mustardy yellow color to the side of that picture. And then I think that settles kind of decorating the pages. And now I'm going to put some stuff in the pockets. there is let's see, an ostrich, sort of along the same vein as the llama. I can't resist a cute ostrich, so I stuck a Dollar Tree pack sticker on it of an arrow going the other way. So to me, it's kind of a reminder to be weird and go your own way. So you don't always have to go the way that everyone else is going. And I love that little floral. It looks so vintage to me. Again, from the Webster's Pages, My Happy Place. And then I just stuck in more of those little cards from that scrapbook set. And then I had a little scrap piece of cardstock. It was kind of like thick cardstock. I think it came in probably like a pack of stickers or something. And I'm just wrapping all of that MT washi around it a few times so that I have a little washi sample set to tuck in my planner. Oh, I did tuck in my my little toaster, my little happy toaster with the toaster Pop-Tart, the Happy Pop-Tart, one of my favorite things. That was in my traveler's notebook. If you saw the summer initial setup of my traveler's notebook, that was like a dimensional sticker that I turned into a paper clip. And I love it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it in there because it's kind of thick, adds some bulk. But it's just so stinking cute that I decided to put it in there because it makes me smile. And if this is somewhere I'm going to be every day journaling and being creative, then I definitely wanted to include things that make me smile. So, still wrapping washi. I just love that combo of colors. Tucking that in the pocket so I have it to be creative on the go. Not that I really ever am, but that's a goal, you know, to make sure I make it a priority, take it with me places. And then putting in that paper clip again. And then I also got these stickers off of Amazon in the same order that I got that MT washi tape. These stickers are from, it's a Japanese sticker set. It's called Positune, but Positune has two P's and there's two Z's. Positune sticker set. And it's like these cats and this funny little girl, and they're so random, and I just sort of fell in love with them. And they were also cheap, and it was along the same vein of the cute Japanese stickers, but I didn't have to wait 95 years to get them shipped from Japan. So that was the kind of their appeal to me. And I'm just cutting those sheets in half so that I can tuck them in the back and have some of those stickers to put in my journal on appropriate days when you don't have the words, you just need a cute Japanese, cat sticker. So just giving you a little eyeball on the finished product. I love it. It makes me really happy, and that's the goal. So let me know if you are going to journal for 2019 and how you set it up. Do you like to use whimsical little pictures or draw or paint? Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe and leave me a comment. Bye.